Hello everyone, this is Anisha from Vibha Jewelers, and in this video I'm going to show you some very beautiful, simple diamond jewelry. So these diamond sets are in close open setting. So this is a new trend in diamond sets, the close open setting, and the diamonds also are very big in these close open setting diamond sets. I mean bigger than the ones that we usually find in the open setting ones. At the same time, they give you a very traditional vibe, and they give you a very nice, good, rich traditional diamond look. um, so this set here that I'm showing you is in 4.5 lakhs. So just imagine, it's a very simple set, I know, but it's in 4.5 lakhs, a diamond set. So the gold and everything also is very nicely shown in this. The pieces, this center pieces here are detachable. So this locket you can detach it and wear it as separately also. So this set itself is very beautiful, and you want me I'll just wear and show you. It looks very pretty on the neck. So the dress I'm wearing is completely covered on the neck, but then if you have an open neck, it looks very pretty. These are all small pieces. It's a very designer kind of set. It's not the usual sets that you find. The budget also is very less, so you can just buy something like that for a festival or a birthday or something like that, small events and stuff. So the earrings that we paired up are also close open setting earrings. So these sets are typically designed for middle-aged people in their 50s 60s. They don't want to have anything grand or heavy, but at the same time they want a nice traditional look to them. So the earrings are also designed in that way, keeping them in mind. The small stud here, the round studs are very much in trend with people in that age. So the studs are also in 1.5 lakh budget approximately. So 4.5 and 1.5. So these kind of sets we have in multiple designs, different styles and different patterns. So this is a naan chain, and on top of the naan chain we have small mangoes and small diamond billalu here. So one advantage with this set is, if you get very bored of wearing this repeatedly, you can remove the naan chain and put these pieces in something else also. You can put them in a black thread, or you can put it in pearls or anything like that. So the pieces are evergreen. The design of the pieces are also very beautifully done in this set. So in Vibha Jewelers, the diamond jewelry costing that we're giving is 50,000. That is including GST and all. There's no additional charge on that, and the making wastage is also very reasonable. It's 1,000 rupees per gram, and no additional charges, and the certification charges, everything comes into that only. So do visit us in Vibha Jewelers for all your diamond jewelry needs. This next set here also is a beauty in itself. It's very pretty, nice, elegant set. It's very flexible, I must say. So young girls can wear it as a choker also to give them that trendy look, and older ladies can wear it as a necklace, obviously. So this set is in just 33 grams and just 4 carat diamonds. So it's a very budget friendly piece. The earrings that we paired with them are also nice peacocks here, round peacocks. These are very you can use them more. These kind of sets, like simple sets, you use them for every occasion. You can wear them. It's not like you have to wear it for a puja or for a reception. These are very versatile. You can wear it for everything, right from sangeets and receptions to traditional events, weddings, everything they go. So depending on your outfit, you can plan them accordingly and wear it like that. So it's a very versatile set in terms of age also. So young girls can wear it, 5 6 year old girls can wear it, 50 60 year old grandmothers can wear it. So you can share it among yourselves. It's a very beautiful piece like that. And since it's flexible, the styling options are also plenty here based on your outfit, your blouse design and everything. You can wear it whichever length you want it in. So we have many of more designs like this available in the store. Do visit Vibha Jewelers. The pricing that we do is also very reasonable. 50,000 for the diamonds VVS EF color, and all including, that is all including GST, IJA charges, everything is included in this. And also we have lab grown as well. So if you like a particular piece and you want to reduce the budget, you want to go for lab grown, if you're open to going for lab grown, you can order that with us. We'll make it to you in lab grown diamonds as well. So we have all the options available. We are a manufacturing store, so anything, any design, any sort of customization, we will do it for you. And we are actually opening our flagship store just beside our store. So do have a watch out for all the notifications that we will be putting in for the opening of the store. So it is a very beautiful place. That store will be making it nice boutique sort of feel, and will give you a nice traditional vibe there. And the designs, the ornaments that we are making ready for the store are also very nice, very innovative designs. And they you will have a piece for everyone. So it's like, if you want a budget friendly set, we have that. If you want a very nice modern set with a good customizing and good color stones and diamonds and polkas, we have that as well. So all sorts of designs we have available. Do visit us, and do follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more such updates. So this set here is has everything that is trendy in this. It has mangoes, it has kante, it has diamonds, close open diamonds. So it's a very, very traditional piece, but at the same time it's very much in trend. So this kante set is so much in fashion nowadays. Everyone wants to have a kante in diamonds. So it's a very beautiful piece. And mangoes, we usually see heavy grand mangoes. So if you want to have something in mangoes, very simple, you can go for something like this. It's a simple mango. The mangoes are also grading here to give you that elegance. It's not all the same size mangoes, it's all grading mangoes here. And the center pendant is also very pretty. The center piece is detachable, by the way. And this peacocks and the center part, everything is so pretty and neatly done in the set. So this set is in approximately 50 grams. Approximate weight of the set is in 50 grams, and the diamonds is 4 carat diamonds. So it's not heavy budget set. It's approximately, I think, around 5.5 lakhs the budget will be. And the earrings that were paired with them are also very pretty, nice, cute, round diamond studs. The studs itself are very, very pretty here. And the color stone also needs to be mentioned separately, because it's a very good color. These color stones are nice natural emeralds in this. So the emerald shine and all is very much shown in the set. So we have same matching color stones in the set and in the studs to give that set feel. So these kind of sets anybody can wear, even young girls, girls in their like 5-6 year girls also can wear the set, something like this. It will look very pretty on them. My daughter especially loves something like this, so I'll be sharing you a picture of her wearing a set, wearing a close open set like this. It's very cute on the young girls. And you can have a set common with a mama and the granddaughter. Both of them can wear a beautiful set, and both of them are going to love a set something like this. So let me show you other designs. So the earrings that I'm wearing here are also very classy and very nice and neatly done. So now that I'm having a high neck, I'm not able to wear anything on my neck. But if you guys want to wear something on your neck, if you have a nice deep neck, you can go for something like this. It's a very simple diamond set. It's a single row set. It goes well with every diamond hangings or earrings you might have. So it's sitting there. It's subtle and neat, and it doesn't give you that empty neck look, but gives that nice beautiful design there. So these earrings we can pair with something like this, or you can pair it with your heavy big chokers and diamonds. So that is always there. But this trending piece, you should have one of these sets like this, so that for simple occasions you can just wear this with a nice big pair of earrings like this, and it's just look fab. So this is another design like the one I've shown. It's a similar pattern on a naan chain. There are all pieces. So there are multiple pieces like this in the store. So if you want to visit, if you like this design, because this is more moving fast for us, we're making more pieces like this. So this is a center pendant. It's a very small cute center pendant, and all these are pieces are grading in size. And the special mention for the tops also. It's a very good size tops for people, small parties. If you want to go and just wear the studs, then this is a very good size. So my mom especially likes studs like this because she doesn't want wearing something like, too gaudy, too heavy, but then it has to stand out. So something like this is a much more preferable option for her. So I'm sure people in her age group would like to wear something like that. Youngsters looking to gift something for your moms, and having something like that for a middle-aged person, then you should go for something like this. These are very budget friendly, and diamonds also. So if you go for this size studs in normal gold also, they probably cost around this much only in Kundan and all. So why not go for a diamond itself? So it gives you a much more richer look, the diamond items. So nowadays I've been visiting a few weddings. I've seen everyone wearing everything in diamonds only, diamonds or polkis or Victorian. These are only running. Gold, plain gold items are not so much running. But then if you want to have that very traditional vibe, then you can go for kasuhars or bottumala, something like that. But these are very much in trend. You can wear this for weddings, you can wear this for receptions, sangeets, cocktails, everything you can wear it for. So these are versatile pieces. You can wear it for every occasion, and it just, you will get bored wearing it, but this jewelry won't get old. So please do visit us, Vibha Jewelers, for more such trending designs. We are getting in new concepts in jewelry, new concepts like in new designs, like different models, mixing this here and there, kundan mixed with pachi and polki. So all these new trends we are getting in. So visit us, and also if you have any of your old jewelry that you want to get out of your closet, it's been sitting there for a while and you're not using it, do get those jewelry to us. We'll either modify it, customize it, or you can exchange it for a new piece of jewelry that you will be wearing more frequently. So thank you for watching the video, and do please subscribe to our channel.